In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your music recording from 440 Hz to 432 Hz on Audacity. Now, the first thing I want you to do is load up your Audacity software. Once it's loaded up, this is how it's going to look like. And the next thing I want you to do is find the recording that you want to change the Hz for. So, my recording, I'm going to record an audio that I'm going to change the Hz for. And I'm going to do that by clicking on record. Once I click on that, I'm going to do hello, this is my recording for changing the hertz from 440 to 432 on Audacity. And let's play that. Once I click on that, I'm going to do hello, this is my recording for changing the hertz from 440 to 432 on Audacity. Okay. Now that we have this recording, I want you to notice one thing. There's this thing called a tempo. Tempo is usually the speed of the record, of the recording, and it's calculated with bits per second. So you see 120 bps, that's the tempo of it. And I'm imagining that for different channels, say we have multiple channels like audio 1, audio 2, audio 3, audio 4. Now it's going to be chaotic if all of this recordings are recorded at different tempos. You can imagine this has a different speed, this one has a different speed. That's going to cause a lot of problems. So to change the music from 440 Hz to 432 Hz, we want to ensure that the tempo remains the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to keep monitoring the tempo, but we're going to go to the recording. Once we go to the recording, we're going to go to effect. Under effect, we're going to go to pitch and tempo, and we're going to go to change pitch. Now on the change pitch, what we are most interested in is the percentage change. Now this percentage change, we're going to make it minus 1.818, minus 1.818. Once we do that and we click on apply, this is going to change from 440 to 432 Hz, and this is going to remain 120. Now that's how you change your music from 440 Hz to 432 Hz on Audacity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.